haven't cried in 2 years. Late yesterday evening, I went to look in the garden to see if our theatre was still there, and it's still standing. I cried for the first time in 2 years. And I got relief. Things became clearer in my heart. You see, I'm no longer crying. And so, you're a writer now. You're a writer. I'm an actress. We both got sucked into the whirlpool. I used to live happily as a child. I'd wake every morning and start to sing. I loved you. And I dreamed of being famous, but now? Off to Yelets, early tomorrow morning, 3rd class with the peasants. And in Yelets, merchants with a bit of education will make up to me with their compliments. Life is crude. Why do you say you kissed the ground on which I walked? You should kill me. I am so exhausted. If only I could rest. I am a seagull. No, that's not right. I'm an actress. Yes. And he is here. Yes. It doesn't matter. Yes. He didn't believe in the theatre. He went on mocking my dreams. And little by little, I too stopped believing and lost heart. And then came the troubles of love, jealousy, the constant fear for my child. I became petty, worthless. I acted mindlessly. I didn't know how to stand on stage. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I wasn't in control of my voice. You can't understand what it is to feel you're acting terribly. I am a seagull. No, that's not right. Do you remember you shot a seagull? A man just came along, saw it and killed it, from having nothing to do. A plot for a short story. No, that's not right. What was I am? I was talking about the stage. You see, now I am not so... I am now a real actress. I act with enjoyment, with ecstasy. I get intoxicated on the stage and feel that I am beautiful. Since I've been staying here, I've walked everywhere. I walk and think and feel how every day my spiritual powers grow. Kostya, I know now. I understand. In what we do, whether we act on the stage or write, the most important thing isn't fame or glory or anything I used to dream about, but the ability to endure, to know how to bear your cross and to have faith. I have faith. And my pain is Bless. And when I think of my vocation, I am not afraid of life.